Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am an UPSC aspirant, and in this video I am going to revision the classification of numbers in number system for UPSC CSAT paper. I have both handwritten and PDF notes, and I have seen many YouTube videos for clearing my concepts, and I hope this video will satisfy you because it covers everything about the classification of numbers. And firstly, I go through the PDF notes and then handwritten, so stay tuned. In Hindu-Arabic system, we use 10 symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 called digits to represent any number. So actually, digits are symbols which we can use in mathematics. A group of digits denoting a number is called a numeral. And here we can see an example. And we read it as 68 crores 97 lakhs 45,132. In this numeral, every digit has place value and face value. So what is place value? Place value is the value of a digit according to its position in the number. The place value of 2 is 2, place value of 3 is 30, the place value of 1 is 100, and so on. And what is face value? The face value of a digit in a numeral is the value of the digit itself at whatever place it may be. In the above numeral, the face value of 2 is 2, the face value of 3 is 3, and so on. Hence, we can see that the place value and face value of unit digit is the same. Then types of numbers. Natural numbers. All counting numbers are called natural numbers. Whole numbers, all counting numbers together with 0 are called whole numbers. So we can say every natural number is a whole number. But we cannot say every whole number is a natural number because 0 is belong to whole number. Then integer. All natural numbers, 0 and negatives of counting numbers that is together form the set of integers. And integers can be classified into 3 divisions: positive integers, negative integers, non-positive and non-negative integers. 0 is neither positive nor negative. It represents the set of non-negative integers while represents the set of non-positive integers. Even numbers. A number which can be divisible by 2 is called even numbers, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Odd numbers. A number not divisible by 2 is called an odd number, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. And prime numbers. A prime number greater than 1 is called a prime number. And if it has exactly 2 factors, namely 1 and the number itself. An example are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. Composite numbers. Composite numbers are greater than 1 and a composite number should have minimum 3 factors. The composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12. Co-primes. Two numbers A and B are said to be co-primes if their ACF is 1. So I just go through the PDF, then turn into my handwritten notes. So here I have made the chart of all the numbers, and I just want to read out the numbers and then I will describe. So numbers can be classified into 2 divisions: real numbers, imaginary numbers, and real numbers into integers and decimal. Decimals into terminating, non-terminating, non-terminating into repeating, non-repeating. Then integers. Integers can be classified into positive integers and negative integers. Positive integers classified into natural number and whole number. And both positive integers and negative integers can be classified into odd numbers and even numbers. Basically, we can say odd numbers and even numbers can be positive and negative. Then natural number can be classified into prime numbers and composite number. And prime numbers can be classified into relatively prime, co-prime, and twin prime. So numbers can be classified into 2 divisions, that is real numbers and imaginary numbers. And what are real numbers? Real numbers represent on number line, and imaginary numbers are the negative numbers under the root. In mathematics, we only use real numbers. Real numbers can be classified into 2 divisions, that is integers and decimal. And decimal can be classified into 2 divisions, that is terminating and non-terminating. Terminating decimals are decimals which can be divisible, and non-terminating decimals cannot be divisible. Also, non-terminating decimals can be classified into 2 divisions, that is repeating decimal and non-repeating decimal. We have already read integers in PDF notes. So, integers can be classified into two divisions, that is negative integers and non-negative integers. Non-negative integers can be classified into natural number and whole numbers. What are natural number? Natural number are all the counting numbers 1 to infinity. And whole numbers are natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. Natural numbers can be classified into two divisions, that is prime numbers and composite numbers. And what are prime numbers? Prime numbers has only two factors, 1 and itself. For example, 3, 13, 11. And composite numbers are not prime numbers and has at least three factors. For example, we can see 10 is a composite number, hence 10 has 4 factors. So, prime number can be classified into three divisions, that is relatively prime, co-prime and twin prime. What is relatively prime number? When the AECF of any two number is 1 is called relatively prime. And what is co-prime? When the AECF of two prime number is 1 is called prime number. And what is twin prime number? When the difference between two prime number is 2 and their AECF is 1 is called twin prime. Here are the even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers and odd numbers are integers. So what is even numbers? Which can be divisible by 2 is even numbers, and which numbers cannot be divisible by 2 is odd numbers. Thank you everyone. This is about the classification of numbers. I hope it may help you to some extent. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you once again.